Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if it's not, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing my hot cocoa bar with you for the holidays. I'm at Walmart and I'm picking up the supplies I need for my hot cocoa bar. So I'm picking up some Tim Hortons hot cocoa. I love Tim Hortons cocoa. But this is another option that I like to look at because the amount of sugar and calorie, it's a lot less than the Tim Hortons hot cocoa. And I have my mother-in-law who comes often, who's diabetic, that still likes to have a hot cocoa once in a while. So this is a nice option to pick for her. So I'm grabbing that as well. Now, gingerbread is a must-have. It's my daughter's favorite cookie, so I'm grabbing some of these. Mini marshmallows to top off her hot cocoa. And I'm out of sugar completely, so I'm going to grab some of that from a hot cocoa bar. And for some baking, I'll be baking soon for Christmas. My daughter loves M&M and the Christmas M&Ms are out, so I'm grabbing 2 bags of these. So as I'm walking along, I'm seeing all the Christmas cookie decorating items that you need, and I found these cute little candy to put on your muffins and stuff, so I'm going to use those on my hot cocoa bar. And as I'm walking out for the cash register, I've seen some of these cream filler cookies, so I grabbed some of those as well. Now I'm home and I got all my supplies. I also previously picked up some Hershey hot chocolate stirring spoon and some candy cane stirring spoons as well. I got those at the dollar store. And now I'm just running some hot water and soap so I can wash these beautiful jars that I got. I got these at Bulk Burn and they are beautiful. I got 2 sizes of them, and the top is sealable, so it keeps everything nice and fresh. It's got the rubber band on the inside. So I love these jars. I like the curved top on it, and it is just what I needed. So here are my 2 sizes that I got, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wash these all up. Now that I got my jars all nice and clean, I'm gonna start filling them up with all my supplies. And I'm going to start with my Hershey chocolate stirring spoon. And these are not the same as the ones I got last year, unfortunately. As you will see when I'm unpacking them, these are all stuck together. Well, not stuck, they're made that way, and you have to break them to take them apart. So you have to be very careful when you break them not to break the spoon. Now I'm going to do my waffle cookies. And these are too long for this jar, so I'm actually going to break them in half and put them in a smaller jar. I'm filling a small jar with the sugar. Now my candy cane spoons, I have several packages of them. For some reason I can't seem to find the other ones at the moment, so I'm just going to use these for now and put the rest in later. I'm going to use a bigger jar for the gingerbread cookies because, like I said earlier, these are my daughter's favorites, so we need a lot of them. So, big jar it is. And the M&Ms, Christmas M&Ms, another one of my daughter's favorite. So basically this cocoa bar is all based around her, all of her favorites, all in one area. Now the mini marshmallows, I'm going to put this in a smaller jar, I think. And last but not least, the hot cocoa. And I'm able to put this full can of hot cocoa into this jar. So I went to Canadian Tire and I found this beautiful sleigh, and I thought this is perfect to make my hot cocoa bar. So I grabbed that and took that home. Now I'm simply going to wipe it off and start filling it with all my supplies. I had these mugs from last year and I absolutely love them, so I'm using them again this year. I got this beautiful little gingerbread house at Michael, and it's the perfect size for my hot cocoa bar. I got these beautiful little trees at Michael's, and they were buy one, get one free. And I like the candy wrap fabric on the bottom of them. It's suitable for my decor, so I grabbed 4 of these. And I'm going to add them to my coffee bar just to make it a little bit more festive and add some greeneries. I got these 2 beautiful gingerbread tree at Michael's. I'm just adding a little sign, Milk and Cookies Company, And I'm also adding one of these cute little gingerbread, and I put some cube on the back and I attached it with some hot glue so I can make that little gingerbread stand on my hot cocoa bar. I got that little gingerbread at the Bay, but I also got some of these at Emerald Isle. It's a small shop here in my hometown. I got some of these little ornament mugs at Canadian Tire. They are so sweet. They are hot cocoa mug with marshmallows on top, and I thought they were perfect for my kitchen decor this year. So I'm gonna put 2 of these. I'm using 2 ornaments that I got at Michael's last year. I tried to get some more this year, but they didn't have any in stock. So I'm using 2 of these. I'll add this cute little tree to the decor next to this little gingerbread, and I have a little cocoa sign that I'm going to put as well. I have 2 of these super cute little wooden spoon, and I'm just gonna add them to my hot cocoa bar just to use for sugar or whatnot. And I'm just realizing that I don't have a jar for my little candies for my hot chocolate, but that's okay. I think what happened is I picked up those chocolate waffle at the end and I wasn't supposed to, but I'm just going to put this jar on the back and it'll be there for easy access for me to use. And here is the final result. I was going to put a beaded garland in there, but I changed my mind because I think my hubby would have been annoyed with it when he went to pick up a jar and have to move the bead out of the way. So I decided not to. I'm absolutely in love with this coffee bar. I wanted to have at least 3 mugs. There are 3 of us in the house, so I opted for 4 in case we have a guest. And let me know what you think. I think this turned out really, really nice. I can see me using this for years and years to come. Well, that's it for my hot cocoa bar. I hope you enjoyed it. Personally, I am absolutely in love with it. If you did like this video, please give me those big thumbs up. And you know I want to hear your comments in the comment box down below. If this was your first time watching one of my videos and you like what you've seen, today is a perfect day to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, folks, you have yourself a wonderful day.